Oh, what's up, man? It's your boy TazBeGrinding, man. My boy got his car. I was supposed to, got the camera all in my face. But I was supposed to go pick up. Benito about to come out. He got his car, his bodywork done. He got his wrap done. So he about to pull up. He said he gotta show me what it look like before he go to work. So I'm about to see what that look like. Okay. Alright, man. Hold on. Alright. Alright, first things first, it look 10 times better now.
It look 10 times better?
Yeah. Huh? What? Yeah.
It's dirty as hell right now. I'm sorry, but just saying, yeah.
Dang.
It's a little too dark for me, but I like a little sheen too. Yeah.
It looked way better than when it was at the shop though, for real.
Those rims, man, it makes it look so much better.
I don't know if I like the blue lights with it.
I know.
This guy funny, man. Tell me what y'all think, man.
I like the blue lights.
Hey.
I'm trying to find a new color for it.
Hold on.
I mean, like, I like that. Like that's yellow.
Good to go.
Yellow, I mean, I just don't know what color, especially during the day, it's sort of like a little bit duller.
Hey, it's for sure. Hey, it's for sure way better though, bro.
Got some shit.
Hey, it's for sure way better.
His headlights with his phone. It's just like the mirror.
Hey, Benito, it's way better, man.
It's way better, man.
Way better.
It's a solid little thing, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, Benito, you gotta hit me. You gotta hit me. You gotta hit me.
I got you.
Ooh. Hey, it sounds better, bro. Hey, man, come on, man, come on.
Let's go. I'm waiting for work, man.
Hey, man, that sounds way better too. What the heck? Dang, boy.
Put that away here. Your mom, come on, get out. And I'm like,
I said they in here blazing too. Like,
bro, did you hear that roll like that? What was that like?
It was crackling. It was crackling, bro.
Was it crackling like
yeah,
that?
it was like.
I'm happy.
Like, yeah, man.
Oh shit, are they still on?
Huh? Oh
yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get some more clips when you wash it and everything.
Without a doubt, man.
No, you gotta go with yellow.
But the yellow, but then can't you get pulled over for it?
Yeah, I thought it looked a little weird when you put over blue headlights too.
With the blue?
Like the yellow.
But the blue's so crispy though.
It's cool, but
now that it's the gold. Oh, I'm in fucking heaven.
the yellow looks way better.
It does.
Hey,
It's just so dull during the day. You don't really see them.
Hey, the exhaust sound way better though.
That exhaust is solid, bro. Like, to me, when I picked up the car, bro, I'm like, dude, it's like, it sounds like different, bro. Different when I dropped it on.
It for sure did.
I don't know what they did, but my headers are starting to rust, bro.
You know what? Your exhaust might be breaking in now, though. You know, like how you gotta like break in the exhaust, so you gotta do exhaust.
I just found a package on my dresser.
Right.
I just found a package on my dresser full of fucking exhaust candles and tubes and shit. I don't think I gave them that packet when I dropped off my headers and shit.
Wait, so you don't think they like got all the all the
fasteners
on them?
Ones. Or they use the old ones.
I don't think they would have hooked it up though without fasteners.
Well, yeah, no, it's hooked up, you know what I'm saying? It's got fasteners. It's got probably the old hangers or some shit on there. But I just found the package and it's fucking, it's like fucking 20 pounds, bro. And it's just a little box full of fucking exhaust.
Well, yeah, man, I like it for sure, way better.
It's a solid little. I told you, bro. You gotta follow the look.
Like, bro, not gas you. That shit look way better, bro. Like, that shit look better.
Cause I didn't even notice too many people looking at my shit. So I was like, low key.
For sure when you wax and you gloss it up or something.
Bro, when I picked that bitch up, they had the tire shine and everything on that bitch. That bitch was looking. What? Okay. You remember that C8 Corvette that they had sitting out there?
So you know, bro. If you could just get this little tiny stuff.
Yes! You asshole! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh no!
I was like, look. Like you just get this little bit of trim.
That's what I told you. You know what you told me?
It's the little thing. You talking about doing all of this, bro?
Yes, I told you do this. That's all it is.
Okay.
This, those, maybe those, and then the GXP trilogy.
I understand. Please don't go crazy though.
It's not too crazy. You gotta think of how subtle it is.
Alright, man. You know what
all
I'm
this
saying.
black leather, bro.
Alright, man. Alright, now we gonna see. We gonna see. You know what you gotta do though. I've been thinking about it myself. I've been seeing everybody with like custom steering wheels, bro.
I know. You talking about the little ding?
Yes, bro. Low key, that junk hard, bro.
But then again, if I paint these, bro, I want to keep it like this.
No, like people just be adding like stuff to their steering wheel, bro.
What you mean?
Like I could get on my stock steering wheel and they could put like carbon fiber, all kind of stuff on it.
Oh yeah, I don't think they do that shit for the Grandprix though.
Bro, I think he do any steering wheel, bro.
Yeah, they do custom work. Oh, I found a guy that does custom badging. So I was gonna show you. He does it for mostly Pontiacs and shit, but he's got a laser printer and like a laser etcher and shit.
Yeah.
You can get you like a Carnage badge or some shit. I was looking at some of them. They're pretty solid.
Oh, man.
He said you give him a picture, laser prints it, etches it, the metal, you know, for a badge for your car.
Alright.
Oh, damn.
Bro, you don't believe what I'm saying today.
Huh.
This is why I got a problem with Dodge. That's why I got a problem with Dodge. It was a GT Charger with a Hellcat logo on it, bro. I got all hype and then he started going on like, bro, it's a leaf blower.
It's a little leaf blower.
Bro, this thing vibrating my back, bro.
That's a good thing to look back.
I just feel like this. Hey, it's vibrating my back, bro.
That's why I still need to get the tips put on. That's it. But I think now, since they didn't really fuck with the opening, I think I can fit 2 4-inch tips.
Right.
So I need to find a 3-inch inlet.
I didn't even look at the back. I gotta get a full look around when we clean it up.
Too hard in my shit, bro.
So yeah, I'm about to. Yeah, man, I'm about to go ahead and cut this thing, man. We gonna look at it when we done cleaning it up, man. I've been waiting on this, man. Yeah, look at that thing, man. You know I gotta gas you up before you go to work. Oh, you gotta go home and everything, don't you? All right, man. We just about to get this love. Yeah, it's cool, man. You know what I'm saying? We fixed this. Hey, it looked better. It was ugly, bro. At first, I ain't gonna.
Confusing?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's something.
It was ugly at first, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause he Oh, crap, is we rolling? Yeah, we rolling. As y'all can see, man, we back in the room. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get that stream action going. You know what I'm saying? I had to show y'all the car because we following up with his build. So he basically done with like the aesthetic look of the car. He said he ready to make some power now. So he was trying to push the LS3 motor. LS3, I meant to say LS4 to his limits. My bad. But he got some plans coming, man. I'll let y'all hear it. It's basically he has headers, loudmouth resonators, and I think boiler mufflers, okay. And basically the cats are straight through, so it's kind of like it just got mufflers on it. Well, like it's basically like catless headers with mufflers. So yeah, it sounded good as you guys heard. You know what I'm saying? I had to get that footage. So yeah, man, that's gonna end up the video for today. So yeah, I'm out, man. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. I'm serious.